When counting in 12/8, there's a few things to consider. So first of all, what does our time signature mean? Our top number 12 is the number of counts or beats per bar, and the bottom number, the 8, tells us what those numbers are going to look like, or what those beats are going to look like when they're written down. And in this case, we've got 12 beats per bar. What are they going to look like? Eighth notes. So we say the time signature is 12/8, meaning 12 eighth notes per bar. There's a couple of ways we can count it. The first is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or we could count the 4 pulses in the bar, and we could count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now that's all fine, as long as we're only counting eighth notes. But what happens when we want to add some 16th notes? Now, if we've already used our 1 and syllables, we don't have anything left for our 16th notes. So personally, I would prefer to count using the 12 numbers, and then any 16th notes in between, we can then count with an and. So we've then got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and. Now, I have a bit of an issue with a few of those numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 is not a good number to count with because it has 2 syllables, and 11 is the worst. 11 has 3 syllables. So when I'm counting using 16th notes, I prefer just to use the first 6 numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if I've got quavers in between, I can then count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. So let's look at some exercises.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's line number 2. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Line 3 is going to sound like 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Line number 5. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, Number 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Last one sounds like 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Might just do that last one a bit slower. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4.